monster.
Would you stay still, Goo? I can't make a sculpture of you if you keep moving around.
Sorry, Max.
No, I used the wrong amount of clay on this part. My sculpture doesn't really look like you. It's all squishy.
Now I look like your sculpture, Max. All squishy.
The scream screen always surprises Goo.
The scream screen! Oh, somewhere in Monstrovia, there's a monster in need. And whenever a monster needs our care,
The Monster Math Squad will be there!
it's Monster Angelo, the greatest sculptor in all of Monstrovia. Hi, Monster Angelo.
Hello, Monster Math Squad.
What can we do for you, Monster Angelo?
I have a problem. I'm supposed to be making a sculpture of Signor Cranky Pants Monster, but I need help. I can't finish the sculpture, and he wants to see it today. It's a sculpture disaster. Can you help me?
We'd love to help you, Monster Angelo. We'll be right over.
Monster Angelo thanks you.
We need to help Monster Angelo finish his sculpture. I'm sure we can use Monster Math to do that.
Yeah, Monster Math can do anything.
Because Monster Math is everywhere!
Hey, will you join the Monster Math Squad on the job?
Join the squad! Join the squad!
You will? Awesome! First, we need the secret monster math word that will help us get the job done.
Word monster!
Today's secret monster math word is volume.
Next time you see Word Monster and hear him squawk, shout out the secret monster math word with us to make something math amazing happen.
Volume!
Not yet, Goo. Wait until you see Word Monster again.
Oh, right. I got so excited, I couldn't wait.
Come on, Monster Math Squad. Let's go help a master monster sculptor finish his sculpture.
I'm so upset. My latest monster piece is never going to be finished. You see?
It looks pretty good to me.
No, it is not good, Lily. Look, my sculpture. It is missing a head.
Oh, right.
Is there a reason you can't make the head for your sculpture, Monster Angelo?
Yes, there is. You see, I use monster mud to make my sculptures. And I measure my mud very, very carefully using those containers and buckets over there.
So, what's the problem?
The problem is this bucket here. It's the one I need to use to measure the mud for Signor Cranky Pants Monster's head, but I can't use it.
Why not?
Because there's a hole in my bucket, dear Lily. It can't hold any mud. How am I supposed to finish my monster piece if I can't get the right amount of mud?
Oh! This bucket is the same shape as the broken one. Can you use it, Monster Angelo?
They are the same shape. You may be right, Senor Max. I will try it. Oh, I hope it works. Ha-ha! My monster piece is done. Monster Angelo is saved. Ah! It is a teeny tiny head, isn't it? Not at all like the head of Signor Cranky Pants Monster. I used all the mud in the bucket, but it wasn't enough. Monster Angelo is ruined.
How can we help Monster Angelo measure out the right amount of mud he needs to make the head on his sculpture?
Did you see Word Monster? That means we all need to shout the secret monster math word, volume. Are you ready? Let's shout it together on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Volume! Look, it worked! A monster math monitor.
It's a very hot day. A lemonade drink. Another thirsty monster wants some drink that is pink. Which cup should he use if he wants to be fair and drink the same volume as his friend over there? This cup is the same shape, but it's way too small. It doesn't have the same volume. No, not at all. This cup has a very different shape, but it holds the same volume. It tastes great.
Thanks, Math Monitor. Now we know that even though two containers are the same shape, they can hold different volumes of something. And that containers of different shapes can have the same volume.
And since volume is a math word, let's do
Monster Math!
Let's look at these containers again. We need to find a different container that holds the same volume of monster mud as the broken one.
And it doesn't have to be the same shape.
That's right, Goo.
But what is the volume of monster mud that the broken bucket can hold?
Maybe it says inside. Look.
Wow, Goo! You fit perfectly into the bucket.
Wait a minute. If Goo fits perfectly in the bucket, that means he is the exact same volume that it can hold.
And so, we can use Goo to find another container that holds the same volume of monster mud as the broken bucket.
But, Max, I don't understand. Are we going to fill goo with mud?
No, Monster Angelo.
I'm confused.
It's a little complicated, I know, Goo. But trust me, I need you to get into this container.
Oh, okay, Lily.
Does Senor Goo fit? I can't look.
What do you think, Squad? Does Goo fit? Goo is bigger than this container. It's too small. Its volume isn't the same.
How about this one? Go ahead, try it, Goo.
Whoa! I think this bucket is too big.
You're right, Goo. You don't fill it. Wrong volume. Try another.
Look, Max. I fit.
Good work, Goo. This bucket has the exact volume that we need.
Here, Monster Angelo. This bucket is the same volume as the broken one. You can use it to measure out the mud you need to make the head.
Well, I don't know, but I'll give it a try. That was the perfect amount of mud. My monster piece is magnificent.
Woohoo! Yippee! Oops.
This is not good.
Sorry, Monster Angelo.
Maybe there's some way we can stick the arm back on the sculpture.
That's it! I can use this sculpture glue. We must use an exact amount to glue the arm back on. Enough to fill this cup.
All right. Well, let's get started. I'll help you, Monster Angelo.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! I don't believe it. That's the same thing that happened to my bucket.
It's cracked. It can't hold any sculpture glue.
What are we gonna do? Oh, I don't see any containers here that look the same shape as the broken cup.
No, but remember what the math monitor showed us? We can use a container of any shape as long as it has the same volume.
But we can't use Goo to check the volume of this cup, Lily. It's way too small.
Oof!
What else can we put in the cup? It needs to be something that won't leak through the crack. Sand! Super math-erific! We can use sand! There! Now we just have to find another container that holds this exact amount of sand.
Oh, how about this one, Lily?
What do you think, Squad? Does this container hold all the sand? Does it hold the right volume?
Nope. There's still some sand left in the cup. This container is too small. Wrong volume.
Try this one!
Whoops! Nope. The sand doesn't fill this container. So the container is too big. Wrong volume again. Monster Angelo, how about that container you're holding?
What, this? But it will never work, Lily. It's not shaped like any of the other containers.
Remember, it's not the shape of the container that's important, it's the volume.
Yes! It holds the right volume of sand! Monster Angelo, you can use that container to measure out the correct amount of glue to fix the sculpture.
Excellent! I will get to work. Hurrah!
And just in time. I think I hear Mr. Cranky Pants Monster.
All right, Monster Angelo. I don't have all day. Let's see this sculpture you made of me.
Of course, Senor Cranky Pants Monster. I so hope you like it.
We'll see. I don't like anything very much, you know.
Well, what do you think, Mr. Cranky Pants Monster?
Oh, this sculpture makes me cranky.
He doesn't like it.
And I like being cranky.
He likes it. Oh, thank you, my friends.
Monsterific job, Monster Math Squad! We helped Monster Angelo finish his sculpture of Mr. Cranky Pants Monster, and we did it by knowing all about volume.
That deserves a great big monster howl on 3. 1, 2, 3. Howl! We did the math! We did the monster math! Mail carrier monster's big mess. What you got there, Goo?
It's a triangle letter with a cute little smiley face, Max.
The scream screen always surprises Goo.
It surprised my letter, too. It's not smiling anymore.
The scream screen! Oh, somewhere in Monstrovia, there's a monster in need. And whenever a monster needs our care,
The Monster Math Squad will be there!
It's Mail Carrier Monster.
rain or shine, nothing stops Mail Carrier Monster from delivering all the mail in Monstrovia.
But a lickety monster sure will.
What's a lickety monster?
That's a lickety monster. He's a little guy with a big tongue who likes to lick anything and everything.
That's kind of weird.
Well, that troublesome lickety monster has licked the stamps off all the envelopes.
How will you ever deliver the mail?
Well, that's the problem, Lily. Without stamps on the envelopes, I can't deliver the mail. Can you help get the stamps back on the envelopes?
You bet we can. The Monster Math Squad is on the way.
Now, if you'll excuse me, I've got to catch that pesky little lickety monster.
We need to help Mail Carrier Monster get the stamps back on the envelopes. I'm sure we can use Monster Math to do that.
Yeah! Monster Math can do anything!
Because Monster Math is everywhere.
Hey, will you join the Monster Math Squad on the job?
Join the squad! Join the squad!
You will? Awesome! First, we need the secret monster math word that will help us get the job done.
Word monster!
Today's secret monster math word is sides.
Next time you see Word Monster and hear him squawk, shout out the secret monster math word with us to make something math amazing happen.
Sides!
Not yet, Goo. Wait until you see Word Monster again.
Sorry, Lily. I just wanted to see something math amazing right now.
Come on, squad! Let's go help get those stamps back on the envelopes.
Hi, Mail Carrier Monster.
Oh, thank goodness you're here. That pesky lickety monster is licking everything in sight. Oh, look. Oh, my. What's it going to lick now?
Don't leave yet, Mail Carrier Monster. We are here to help you get the stamps back on the envelopes.
Yes, of course. But first, you need to sort the envelopes by shape.
What do you mean?
Well, you see, envelopes come in 3 different shapes. Triangle, square, and pentagon. And each shape gets a different number of stamps. So, sort the envelopes in shapes first, and then you'll be able to put on the right number of stamps. Oh, my! I really have to go now and catch that pesky little creature!
Okay, squad, time to get to work. First, we need to sort the envelopes by shape.
Mail Carrier Monster said there were 3 shapes. What were the shapes again, Lily?
He said triangle, square, and pentagon.
But how do we know which shape is which?
Did you see Word Monster? That means we all need to shout the secret monster math word, sides. Are you ready? Let's shout it together on 3. 1, 2, 3, sides!
Look, it worked! A monster math monitor!
3 little shapes here to do a show. They're ready to dance. Come on, let's go. Count the first dancer's sides. 1, 2, 3. A triangle's the shape she must be. The second shape jigs onto the floor. Count all his sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is how many sides are there. The one with 4 sides is a square. This last shape's got rhythm. He knows how to jive. Count all his sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He's got 5 sides, as you can see. So a pentagon is what he must be. It's time for the dancers to move along. They wave goodbye and say so long.
Those were math-tastic little dancing shapes. The math monitor showed us that we can know the name of a shape by counting its sides.
And since sides is a math word, let's do
monster math!
Ow!
Oh, let me try counting the sides. 1, 2, 3. 3 sides.
Good work, Goo! And what shape did the math monitor tell us had 3 sides? A triangle!
I'll start the triangle envelope pile.
Here's another envelope. You count the sides, Max.
1, 2, 3, 4. So this envelope has 4 sides.
What shape has 4 sides? Oh, a square has 4 sides.
Wow, this envelope sure has a lot of sides.
Hey, Squad, let's count the sides together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides. That means it's a... what shape has 5 sides, Lily?
Pentagon. That's it! Pentagon! A shape with 5 sides is a pentagon. Now, we have a place to put each type of envelope shape.
Woohoo! We sorted the envelopes!
Silly monsters. There are still a lot of envelopes to sort.
Okay, squad, let's sort shapes.
Oh, this one has 4 sides. Do you remember what shape has 4 sides? Aha! A square! It goes in this pile.
And what about this one? It has 3 sides. So what shape is it? Yes! A triangle. This pile.
And the one with 5 sides is a... Oh boy. Do you remember? Oh, a pentagon. And it goes here. Now let's hurry and get them all sorted. No, don't lick the envelopes. Bad lickety monster.
Fantastic sorting, Monster Math Squad! Now we just need to put the stamps back on the envelopes by putting them in the right stamp monster machine.
How do we know which stamp monster machine is right for each envelope?
The envelope and the stamp monster machine lid will be the same shape. What is he licking now?
These must be the stamp monster machines.
And they all have different shaped lids.
And to figure out the shape, we just need to count the sides. Right! Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3. This machine lid has 3 sides.
And this envelope also has 3 sides.
So we need to put the triangle envelopes in this stamp monster.
Exactly.
Yay, it worked! 3 stamps!
Great! Let's count the sides on the next Stamp Monster machine lid.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides on this lid. Which shape has 4 sides? Yes, a square! Woohoo!
And here are the square envelopes.
It worked again!
Let's count the sides on the last Stamp Monster machine lid together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 sides. A shape with 5 sides is a pentagon!
That's right, Goo. And here are the pentagon envelopes.
Now that we have the envelopes matched to the Stamp Monster machines, let's get stamping! Good work, squad! We got...
Oh, no!
Not the envelopes!
Uh-oh.
What's he looking at me for, Max?
I think he wants to lick you, Goo.
Oh no! I'm not lickable!
Oh!
I guess Lickety found something he likes to lick more than envelopes.
Monster Math, terrific job, Monster Math Squad! We helped Mail Carrier Monster get the stamps back on his envelopes. And we did it by knowing all about sides.
That deserves a great big monster howl on 3. 1, 2, 3. We did the math! We did the monster math! Double trouble!
Come see my painting of you, Goo.
Okay, Lily.
My painting of you is done too. Come see it, Goo.
Okay, Max. This is fun! Now I can see both paintings at the same time!
The screen always surprises Goo.
I like surprises.
The screen! Oh, somewhere in Monstrovia, there's a monster in need. And whenever a monster needs our care,
The Monster Math Squad will be there!
It's Muddle Monster. He always gets mixed up and muddled about things.
Hi, Muddle Monster!
Oh, Mobster Mop Squad! I mean, Monkey Mop Squash! Oh, my muddly me! I'm all muddled today!
That's okay, Muddle Monster. It's Monster Math Squad. How can we help you?
I'm at the Whack-A-Monster ball court, and I'm in a muddle.
what's got you so muddled, Muddle Monster?
Well, I met this new monster, Double Monster.
I've heard of him.
We were going to play a game, but now he won't play with me, and I don't know why.
Why don't you just ask him why he won't play with you?
I tried, but he doesn't talk much. Oh, it's making me so muddled.
Don't worry, Muddle Monster. We're on our way.
Thanks, Mumble Mash Squid. I mean, Master Milk Squirt. Oh, muddly me.
We need to help Muddle Monster find out why Double Monster won't play Whack-A-Monster ball with him. I'm sure we can use Monster Math to do that.
Yeah, Monster Math can do anything.
Because Monster Math is everywhere!
Hey, will you join the Monster Math Squad on the job?
Join the squad! Join the squad!
You will? Awesome! First, we need the secret monster math word that will help us get the job done.
Word Monster!
Today's secret monster math word is double!
Next time you see Word Monster and hear him squawk, shout out the secret monster math word with us to make something math amazing happen.
Double!
Not yet, Goo. Wait until you see Word Monster again.
Oh, right, Lily.
Come on, Monster Math Squad. Let's go help Muddle Monster get Double Monster to play with him.
No, that's not right. I mean, mustard mash squawk.
Monster Math Squad!
Muddle Monster is a very muddled monster.
Allow me to introduce Double Monster.
Why is he called Double Monster?
Because he likes things to be double. But I'm not sure what that means.
Me either.
Double Monster sure seems friendly, and it looks like he wants to play with you, Muddle Monster. So I wonder why he won't play.
I don't know.
He's pointing at your racket.
Oh, maybe he wants your racket instead.
Oh, okay. I'm happy to switch. And there. Are you ready to play Whack-A-Monster Ball with me now, Double Monster?
Huh? But I thought you wanted the other racket.
You see why I'm all in a muddle? What does this monster want?
Did you see word monster? That means we all need to shout the secret monster math word, double! Are you ready? Let's shout it together on 3. 1, 2, 3, double!
Look, it worked! A monster math monitor.
3 dancing monsters want to dance through the night. They each need a partner to do the dance right. The dancers need to double. They need to add some more. A new set of dancers must come on the floor. Oh, here they come now. How many do you see? 1, 2, 3. The same number as the dancers here already. A new set with the same number is what you must add if you want to double the number you had.
Thanks, Math Monitor. Now we know all about double.
We do?
Yes! To double something, you just add a second set that has the same number of things in it as the first set.
Well, we know that Double Monster likes things to be double, so maybe he wants to double the number of rackets he has. Is that what you want, Double Monster?
Uh-huh.
All right, squad. Let's get doubling.
How do we do that again?
Well, we learned that to double something, we need to add a set with the same number of things as there are in the first set.
How many rackets does Double Monster have to begin with?
1. He has 1 racket.
So, to double 1, we need to add another set with, how many rackets? 1. We need another set of 1 racket.
Now there are 1, 2 rackets. Double 1 is 2.
Yay! He's happy!
So, are you ready to play now, Double Monster?
Huh?
How come he still doesn't want to play with you?
Oh, my muddly me.
We doubled the number of rackets and Double Monster was happy. I wonder what the problem is now.
He's showing us his 2 rackets, and he's pointing to Muddle Monster.
Oh, of course! He's telling us that now Muddle Monster needs a racket.
Okay. How's that?
Oh, right. Double Monster likes things to be double, so we need to double the number of rackets he has.
Do you remember how to double something? Oh, yes! We need to figure out how many rackets are in the first set, and then add another set with the same number of rackets.
So, how many rackets does Double Monster have? That's the first set. Yes! 2! So we need another set of... how many? Yes! 2!
But Muddle Monster only has 1, so he needs 1 more.
I think I can unmuddle this. Here you go, Muddle Monster. So now, Muddle Monster has 1, 2 rackets.
Now Double Monster has a set of 2 rackets, and Muddle Monster has a set of 2 rackets.
Then that's double.
Let's see. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 rackets. So double 2 is 4.
He's happy again!
So So, are you ready to play Whack-A-Monster Ball now, Double Monster? Huh? What does he want now?
What?
Huh? What's he doing?
I think he wants us to play too.
Of course! He wants to play doubles. That means 2 teams with 2 players on one team and 2 players on the other.
How many rackets are we going to need now?
Let's count how many rackets are in the first set. How many does this team have?
1, 2, 3, 4.
So we have to double 4.
Double 4? How many is that?
Oh, I know. That's just like my toes. I have 4 toes on one foot. See? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 1 set of 4.
How many do you have on the other foot, Max?
Count with me, squad. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Another set of 4. So 1 set of 4, and add a second set of 4. That's double.
So how many toes do you have all together, Max?
Well, let's count both sets of toes together now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So double 4 is 8.
Here's your set of 4. So, are you ready to play with me now, Double Monster?
Uh-oh, hold on. This isn't fair. Goo is going to get left out.
Nuh-uh. If you're going to play Whack-A-Monster Ball, you have to have a ball monster, right?
I think Double Monster wants you to be Double Goo.
I can double do that.
Yay! We're finally playing Whack-A-Monster Ball. Oh, I can't thank you enough, Massive Mush Squeeze. Mucky Match Squad.
No problem, Muddle Monster.
Monster-rific job, Monster Math Squad! We helped the Whack-A-Monster Ball game get going. And we did it by knowing all about double.
That deserves a great big monster howl on 3. 1, 2, 3. We did the math!
We did the monster math!
Too heavy for hopping honkers.
Goo, what are you doing?
No. Goo can't talk, Lily. He might let his air out. We're seeing how light he can be. Look, he's so light, he floats. You're not so light after all.
Sorry, Max.
The screen always surprises Goo.
The scream! Oh, somewhere in Monstrovia, there's a monster in need. And whenever a monster needs our care,
The Monster Math Squad will be there.
look, it's a hopping honker. Hopping honkers are so much fun to ride.
Monster Math Squad, we have a problem. One of the hopping honkers won't give our friend a ride. Can you help us?
Don't worry, little buckaroo.
The Monster Math Squad is on the job.
Please hurry.
We need to figure out why the honker won't give a ride. I'm sure we can use Monster Math to do that.
Yeah, Monster Math can do anything.
Because Monster Math is everywhere.
Hey, will you join the Monster Math Squad on the job?
Join the squad. Join the squad.
You will? Awesome. First, we need the secret monster math word that will help us get the job done.
Word monster.
Today's secret monster math word is way.
Next time you see Word Monster and hear him squawk, shout out the secret monster math word with us to make something math amazing happen.
Way.
Not yet, Goo. Wait until you see Word Monster again.
Oh, right, Lily.
Come on, Monster Math Squad. Let's hop along to the Hopping Honker Ranch.
Okay, tell us exactly what happened.
First, I got on my honker. Then I got on my honker. And they hop perfectly. See?
But when I got on mine, he flopped to his belly. He won't hop. He won't even stand up.
Maybe he's just hungry, and that's why he's not getting up.
Here's the honker food machine.
Yum! A chew chunk!
It's not for you, Goo. It's for the honker. Here you go. Maybe this will get you hopping again.
He's still not getting up.
Maybe I can try feeding him.
Hey, he's standing up.
Yippee! Now I can ride. No, I can't.
Why does this keep happening? Did you see Word Monster? That means we all need to shout the secret monster math word, way. Are you ready? Let's shout it together on 3. 1, 2, 3, way!
Look, it worked. A monster math monitor.
3 different movers, so strong and so merry. How many boxes can each of you carry? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, that's a lot. Good for you, big guy. 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. But can you carry 5? Nope. 5 was too heavy for that monster to try. You can carry 1 box, but how about 1 more? 2 boxes are too heavy. You fell to the floor. Big monster, you'll be working alone, I'm afraid. The others fell down from how much the boxes weighed.
Thanks, Monster Math Monitor. Now we know all about weigh.
And that some things can weigh too much.
The boxes weighed too much for some of the monsters on the math monitor to hold. They went kerplunk.
Just like the hopping honker keeps going kerplunk when he tries to hold this monster.
Hey, do you think this monster weighs too much for the honker to hold?
Do you really think it's because I'm too heavy?
The honker stood up.
Yep, for sure. It's because you're too heavy.
But that means I won't have a honker to ride with my friends.
Hey, wait! If this honker can't hold you, maybe another one can.
Math amazing idea, Max. All we have to do is figure out how much each honker can carry.
How can we tell that?
I have an idea. We can use chew chunks. By piling on chew chunks, we can count to see how much each honker can carry. Okay, start loading.
Help us count how many chew chunks this honker can carry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Whoops! Looks like we need to take 1 off.
He's standing up. This one can carry 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 chew chunks.
Now this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Whoops! 6 is too many for this honker. Let's take 1 away.
Perfect! This hopping honker can carry 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chew chunks.
How's that feel, little fella? That's too many. Take 1 away. This one can carry 1, 2, 3 chew chunks.
Great job, everyone! Now we know how much each hopping honker can carry. This one can carry 7 chew chunks. This one can carry 5 chew chunks. And this one can carry 3 chew chunks.
Yay!
Wait! Except we still have a problem. Hopping honkers don't give rides to chew chunks. They give rides to monsters.
Just not to big monsters like me.
There's gotta be a way to figure out which honker can carry you.
Did you see word monster? Then let's shout the secret monster math word, way, together again on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3,
Way! Look! A monster math monitor!
Ooh, looky there. Is that a seesaw I spy? But when one monster is down, the other's up high. They weigh different things, as a matter of fact. And to find out how much is a balancing act. Good thinking, small monster. Your idea rocks. Now big monster weighs the same as the blocks. Your turn, small monster. How much do you weigh? Oh, right. To balance the seesaw, just take a few blocks away. Hooray!
That was monster math-tastic! Now we know how to weigh things. And I think the math monitor is trying to tell us that we need to weigh the monster riders to figure out which hopping honker they can ride.
What can we use to do that?
Look! Do you see what I saw? A seesaw! Just like on the math monitor. We can use the seesaw to weigh the monster riders. Let's go!
Okay, hop on, buckaroo.
What can we put on this other end?
Well, we know how many chew chunks each honker can carry, so let's use chew chunks.
Oh, good idea. 1 chunk, 2 chunks, 3, 4, 5 chew chunks. That's balanced. That means this rider weighs the same as 5 chew chunks.
Which hopping honker can carry 5 chew chunks?
This honker can carry 5 chew chunks, so it looks like the perfect match.
Now it's this guy's turn.
1 chew chunk, 2, 3 chew chunks. This rider weighs the same as 3 chew chunks.
Then this is the honker for you. He can carry 3.
Okay, now it's your turn.
1 chew chunk, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 chew chunks. This rider weighs the same as 7 chew chunks.
This honker can carry 7 chew chunks, so it's perfect for you.
Let's find out for sure. Riders, saddle up! So far, so good. Here goes.
Monster-ific job, Monster Math Squad! We helped the riders find the right hopping honker to carry them.
And we did it by knowing all about way. That deserves a great big monster howl on 3. 1, 2, 3. We did the math! We did the monster math! Monster treat trouble.
Look, Max, I knitted you a hat.
Oh, that's so nice of you, Goo.
It has a yellow and orange striped pattern, just like your horn.
Cool. Let's see if it fits. It fits.
The scream screen always surprises Goo.
The scream screen! Oh, somewhere in Monstrovia, there's a monster in need. And whenever a monster needs our care,
The Monster Math Squad will be there.
It's Freezy Treat Monster.
I love the frozen goop cones he sells.
Unfortunately, there are no frozen goop cones today, Goo.
What?
My freezy treat machine that makes my frozen goop cones is not working.
Oh, no!
I won't be able to make frozen goop cones for my customers. Oh, dear freezy me. Do you think you can help me make some cones?
Of course we can help you. The Monster Math Squad is on the way. We need to help Freezy Treat Monster make frozen goop cones. Ha! I'm sure we can use Monster Math to do that.
Yeah! Monster Math can do anything!
Because Monster Math is everywhere!
Hey, will you join the Monster Math Squad on the job?
Join the squad! Join the squad!
You will? Awesome! First, we need the secret monster math word that will help us get the job done.
Word monster!
Wow! Today there are 2 secret monster math words. Repeating pattern.
Next time you see Word Monster and hear him squawk, shout out the secret monster math words with us to make something math amazing happen!
Repeating pattern!
Not yet, Goo. Wait until you see Word Monster again.
Oh, right, Lily.
Come on, Monster Math Squad! Let's go help Freezy Treat Monster make frozen goop cones!
Hi, Freezy Treat Monster.
What seems to be the problem with your Freezy Treat machine?
Well...
What's this big green button for?
No, Goo. Don't press the big green button. That's the problem with the machine. It shouldn't be doing that. It should be filling these cones with frozen goop.
Huh. Well, it looks like this arm part thingamabobber is loose.
A loose thingamabobber? Well, let me try and fix it. Whoa! Missed me!
Got me.
Oh, dear. Customers are coming. There's no time to fix the freezy treat machine.
Maybe we could fill the cones with goop ourselves.
Ooh, filling goop cones should be easy freezy. Come on, squad. Let's fill some cones.
1,
2.
We need 3 scoops, just like in the picture.
Here you go, little monsters. 3 yummy frozen goop cones.
Why don't they want them? Little monsters always want frozen goop cones.
Did you see Word Monster? That means we all need to shout the secret monster math words, repeating pattern. Are you ready? Let's shout them together on 3. 1, 2, 3. Repeating pattern.
Look, it worked! A monster math monitor.
This monster is feeling out of sorts because her skateboard doesn't match her shorts. Her shorts have a pattern that repeats. So which board will make her outfit complete? Her shorts have a red stripe, blue stripe, red, and then red stripe, blue stripe, and red again. That's the pattern that repeats. Which board will make her outfit complete? Red, blue, red. Red, blue, red. The same pattern that repeats. Sweet. Now it's time to hit the street.
Well, that was helpful. Now we know about repeating patterns.
Yeah, the colored stripes on the math monitor made a pattern. Red, blue, red. And it kept repeating over again.
Do you think we need to know about repeating patterns to help us figure out how to make the goop cones properly? Yeah, I do too.
And since math is all about repeating patterns, let's do
Monster Math!
Okay, let's think. What's wrong with the cones we made?
Do these cones have a repeating pattern?
This one has 1 goop of green, then yellow, then green. Oh, and this one does too. And so does this one.
Yes, a repeating pattern.
What are you guys pointing at?
I think they're pointing at the picture of the goop cones on the sign.
That's what the goop cones are supposed to look like.
Do our goop cones match the ones on the sign? Help us check, squad. The first cone on the sign has a pattern of goop scoops. Yellow, green, yellow.
Yeah, and the pattern is repeated on the other cones. Yellow, green, yellow, yellow, green, yellow.
Our cones have goop scoops of green, yellow, and green.
Is our repeating pattern the same as the repeating pattern on the picture? Nope, it's different.
That must be why the little monsters don't want the goop cones.
Aha! I'll fix that. Back in the bin goes this scoop. And I'll just scoop some more. Yellow, green, yellow. Yellow, green, yellow. And yellow, green, yellow. Yay! There you go, little monsters.
We still don't want them.
But we matched the repeating pattern, just like on the picture. What is wrong with the cones now? I see what's wrong. Something's different. Do you see what's different, squad? The goop cones we made don't have decorations on them.
I forgot. Blue and orange booger bits. My poor broken machine usually puts them on.
We can put the booger bits on.
Come on, squad. Let's decorate those goop cones.
Yay!
Here you go, little monsters.
We even did a repeating pattern with the colors on this cone. Blue booger bits, then orange booger bits, then blue again.
And blue, orange, blue on this cone.
And on this cone, too.
A repeating pattern.
Oh.
What? They still don't like the goop cones. Why not? Did you see word monster? Then let's shout the secret monster math words, repeating pattern, together again on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Repeating pattern! Look! A monster math monitor!
This monster wants to dance in a vest that matches his favorite pants. The monster's pants have a pattern that repeats. Which vest will make his outfit complete? Moon shape, star shape, and moon. That's the repeating pattern on his pantaloons. Which vest has the same pattern? In which one should he dance? Yes! Time to prance in your fancy pants.
Thanks, Math Monitor. Now we know even more about repeating patterns.
Yeah, repeating patterns don't just have colors. They can also have shapes.
I wonder if the goop cones need a repeating pattern of booger bit colors and of shapes. Let's see. The cones we made have these booger bits on them.
And we matched the color pattern, blue, orange, blue.
But look, the booger bits are also different shapes.
Oh, I didn't see that before.
The cones on the sign have booger bits with a repeating pattern of circle, star, circle. Did we match the repeating pattern of shapes? The pattern we need is circle, star, circle. And the pattern we have is star, circle, star. Nope, not a match.
Come on, squad. Let's match that pattern.
Blue circle, orange star, blue circle.
There, a perfect repeating pattern.
Looks like we definitely got the right repeating pattern.
Hey, look! Goo fixed the freezy treat machine.
Frozen goop cones for everyone!
Frozen goop cones!
Monster Math-erific job, Monster Math Squad! We helped Freezy Treat Monster get goop cones to everyone, and we did it by knowing all about repeating patterns.
That deserves a great big monster howl on 3. 1, 2, 3. Howl! We did the math!
We did the monster math!
Hand monsters helpers.
Watch this cool magic trick, Max. How many fingers do you see?
1, 2, 3, 4. I see 4 fingers, Goo.
Now, how many fingers do you see?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How'd you do that? Hey, wait a minute. That's not a real finger. It's a fungus finger cookie. That's not magic.
It is magic! I made the fungus finger magically disappear!
The scream screen always surprises Goo.
The scream screen! Oh, somewhere in Monstrovia, there's a monster in need. And whenever a monster needs our care,
The Monster Math Squad will be there!
hey, it's Miss Hand Monster.
Hi, Miss Hand Monster!
Hi, Monster Math Squad. Can you help me?
What do you need us to do?
Well, I got invited to a fancy monster dance, and my dance partner is coming to get me soon. But I have to look my best at this fancy dance, and unless you can help me, I won't be able to go. Just look at my nails!
Yeah!
They're a wreck! The manicure monster who usually makes my nails all pretty can't come today. So, I'm calling to ask you, does the Monster Math Squad do manicures?
Manicures? Like making fingernails look pretty?
Yes, that's it.
It's not something we've ever done before. But there's a first time for everything. Don't worry, Miss Hand Monster. The Monster Math Squad is on the way.
See you soon.
We need to give Miss Hand Monster a manicure to make her fingernails look pretty. I wonder if Monster Math can help us do that.
Monster Math can do anything.
Because Monster Math is everywhere!
Hey, will you join the Monster Math Squad on the job?
Join the squad! Join the squad!
You will? Awesome! First, we need the secret monster math word that will help us get the job done.
Word Monster!
Today's secret monster math word is 5.
Next time you see Word Monster and hear him squawk, shout out the secret monster math word with us to make something math amazing happen.
5! Not yet, Goo. Wait until you see Word Monster again.
Right. I'm so excited!
Come on, Monster Math Squad. Miss Hand Monster needs her manicure.
Monster Math Squad. Come on, I'll show you what the manicure monster does so you can start. First, she uses a wipe-off sponge to wipe the old nail polish off my nails. Then, she paints my nails with beautiful new nail polish to make them all pretty. Oh, and one wipe-off sponge only does one nail. Here, start with this one.
Wait a second. Did you say one wipe-off sponge only does one nail?
Yes.
Then we'll need more than just one wipe-off sponge, Miss Hand Monster. How many nails do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So that means you need 5 wipe-off sponges.
We only have 1. How many wipe-off sponges do we need to add to this one so that we have 5? Did you see Word Monster? That means we all need to shout the secret monster math word. 5. Are you ready? Let's shout it together on 3. 1, 2, 3, 5!
Look! It worked! A monster math monitor!
Smarty Pants Monster is an adding whiz. He can add to 5 thanks to a trick of his. He uses his hand because it's right by his side, and he knows it has 5 fingers he can use as a guide. He holds up one finger up in the air, and then counts the other fingers that are left over there. 1, 2, 3, 4 is how many there are. So 1 plus 4 equals 5. What a superstar!
Thanks a lot, Monster Math Monitor. Now we know that when you have 5 fingers on your hand, you can use your fingers to add to 5.
And since 5 is a math word, let's do monster math!
I'll use my fingers to find out how many sponges we need to add to the one we have to get 5 sponges. Here we go. Oh no! I don't have 5 fingers on my hand. I only have 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers. That's not enough.
Me too, Goo. And look, Lily's hands are the same.
Our hands aren't going to help us.
We need 5 fingers.
Oh no!
Hey! Miss Hand Monster has 5 fingers.
Can we use your fingers to find out how many sponges we need?
You bet! Happy to lend a hand.
Awesome! Ready, squad? Let's add with Miss Hand Monster's fingers, just like the math monitor showed us. Okay, Miss Hand Monster, can you please close all your fingers? Now, we want you to raise one finger up in the air for the one wipe-off sponge we have. Now, lift the rest of your fingers one at a time.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So, that's one finger for the one sponge we have, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 fingers for the sponges we need.
So 1 plus 4 equals 5.
So now we know we need to add 4 wipe-off sponges to this one sponge to have enough.
Lily, would you please get us 4 more sponges?
You bet! Here they are, 4 sponges.
Great! Let's get wiping, squad.
Wow! Thanks so much, Monster Math Squad. Okay, now I want each of my fingernails to be a different color for the fancy monster dance. Like a rainbow. Hurry! My dance partner will be here soon!
Uh-oh! There are only 2 bottles of nail polish here.
That is a problem. Well, we know that Miss Hand Monster has 5 fingernails, so we're going to need 5 colors if she wants all her nails to be a different color.
How do we figure out how many more nail polish colors to get? Did you see Word Monster? Then let's shout the secret monster math word 5 together again on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 5!
Look, a monster math monitor.
Smarty Pants is back again to add to 5. Hooray! He's using the fingers on his hand to make adding easy today. This time he starts with 2. He puts 2 fingers in the air. And then he counts the other fingers that are left over there. 1, 2, 3 is how many that there are. So 2 plus 3 equals 5. What a superstar!
That was monster massively helpful. Now we know that if you have 5 fingers, you can add to 5 in lots of different ways.
2 plus what is 5? Your fingers are going to tell us.
Because you have 5 fingers on each of your hands, just like Miss Hand Monster. Let's count your fingers and hers. Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5!
Great! Now, let's use the 5 fingers on your hand to figure out how many nail polish colors we need to get. Altogether, we need 5 colors, and we already have 2 colors, so put up 2 fingers. You too, Miss Hand Monster. Now lift the rest of your fingers up one at a time, and we'll count them together. Go! 1, 2, 3. 3!
2 fingers and 3 more fingers equals 5.
So we need 3 more nail polish colors to add to the 2 we already have. I'll get them.
1, 2, 3 new colors. Perfect!
Let's paint those nails.
There, all done.
My dance partner! He's here. Just in time.
That deserves a high five.
Help me out here, dance partner. Time to go to the dance. Come on.
See ya!
Great work, Monster Math Squad! We just gave our first monster manicure, and we did it by knowing all about 5.
That deserves a great big monster howl on 3. 1, 2, 3. We did the math!